So, you're in your 20s. You're broke. You've got student loans, rent, maybe a job you don't love. And the idea of building wealth seems about as real as a unicorn riding a skateboard. But let me tell you something. The people who win financially in their 30s, 40s, and beyond start in their 20s, even if they're broke. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start building wealth in your 20s. No trust fund, no rich uncle required. Step 1 is the mental game. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account. It starts in your mindset. If you're telling yourself, I'm too broke to save, I'll start investing when I make more money, the system is rigged. You've already lost. Instead, say this: every dollar I earn is a tool. I control how I use my money. I can learn skills that will make me rich. No one gets rich overnight, but everyone who builds wealth started with intentional decisions when they were broke. Now let's talk about your most valuable asset, your skills. When you're broke, you don't need to chase money first. You need to chase skills that make money. Here are 3 high-income skills you can start learning for free or cheap. The skill of writing words that sell. Businesses pay thousands for good copy. Digital marketing ads, SEO, social media. Companies need visibility, and they'll pay you for it. Sales, learn to sell, and you'll never be broke, period. Start watching free YouTube tutorials, read books, take affordable courses on platforms like YouTube, then freelance, intern, or work cheap to gain experience. The ROI is insane. Yeah, budgeting sounds boring, but you can't build a mansion on a shaky foundation. Track where every dollar goes. Use a free app like Mint or YNAB. Then apply the 50-30-20th rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving or investing, or if you're more hardcore, to flip it. Live off 50%, save and invest the other 50%. And yes, that means cutting back. Less Uber Eats, more cooking, fewer subscriptions, more stacking cash. Wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about being quietly loaded. Here's where the magic happens. Compound interest. Even if you can only invest $50 a month, start now. Time is your secret weapon. If you invest $100 a month from age 22 to 32, and then stop, you will have more at retirement than someone who starts at 32 and invests $100 per month until age 65. Why? Because money grows over time. The earlier you plant the seed, the bigger the tree. Use apps like Robinhood or Fidelity to buy index funds, Roth IRA accounts for tax-free growth, Acorns or Wealthfront for beginners who want it automated. You don't need thousands to invest. Just consistency. A job is great, but it should be your first income stream, not your only one. Wealthy people build multiple streams of income. Here's how to start. Freelance your skills. Fiverr, Upwork, or directly through social media. Start a YouTube or TikTok channel. Yes, it takes time, but it can pay off massively. Digital products, ebooks, templates, online courses. Create once, sell forever. Investing, income, stocks, real estate, dividends. Grow it over time. Don't try to build all of these at once. Pick one and go deep. Look, building wealth in your 20s isn't about getting rich fast. It's about playing the long game. Spending less than you earn, growing your income, investing consistently, avoiding lifestyle creep. You may not see big results in year 1, but in 5, 10, 15 years, you'll be ahead of 90% of your peers. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. I'm building wealth. If you're ready to take control of your future, remember, you don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start to be rich.